In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task color in ClickUp. If you're looking to personalize your workspace or simply want a more visually organized setup, adjusting the task colors can be a great way to do this. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to dive into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the main dashboard, where you can access all your workspaces and tasks. It's a convenient starting point to streamline your workflow. From here, navigate to the specific space and list where you want to make changes. This is the section that houses all related tasks you might be working on, so make sure you're in the right place to avoid any confusion later on. Next, locate and click on the name of the list. This is your immediate gateway to the tasks contained within. By doing this, you'll be able to access additional settings relevant to that list. The list view is essential because it organizes your tasks systematically, making it easier to select specific ones for color changes. Now that you're in the right list, it's time to click on Edit Statuses. This option allows you to customize and manage how tasks are tracked as they progress. It's particularly useful for teams or projects that require detailed status tracking. By editing statuses, not only can you alter the current stages, but you can also modify their appearance through color adjustments. Once in the Edit Statuses menu, you'll want to click on Use Custom Statuses. This option enables you to break free from the default settings and tailor each status to your preferred look. Custom statuses necessitate an extra level of personalization, giving you the flexibility to chart your project management in a way that best suits your working style. After that's done, return to the list name once more. This step confirms your selection and directs you to the status editing panel. It's here that the real magic happens, modifying how information visually presents itself to enhance clarity and setup. At this point, it's time to select the color for your tasks. This color palette gives you several choices, allowing you to pick a hue that resonates with your task type or personal preference. It's an excellent opportunity to leverage color psychology to maintain enthusiasm and focus on tasks at hand. Finally, after making your color selection, click on Apply Changes. This solidifies the adjustments you've made, and you should instantly see your tasks reflecting the new color settings. Task colors are now set, adding a splash of personalization and clarity to your workspace. And just like that, you've incorporated a visually pleasing organizational element into your ClickUp experience, making for a paramount way to keep everything well organized. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.